Hello all, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about a conference, and one in this conference if we are producing your paper to this conference means that paper will get accepted in Springer journal, and also they have also given that Springer is indexed in journal is indexed in Scopus, and it will be forward to Web of Science too. And also if your paper quality is good means it will be forwarded to some Elsevier journals also. The Elsevier journal details they haven't given, but the Springer journal details they have mentioned here. So we can discuss in details. The conference name is International Conference on Innovative Computing and Communication, that is ICICC 2022, and here it is organized by this college which is located in New Delhi in association with some other colleges too, which is located in South Korea and Spain. And this is a virtual conference only, so you need not to go by personal. Some they will attend some virtual meetings. So we can see the fields which this conference is uh, covering. It is covering some computing and communication related subjects. So here they can hear other details which who are for uh, create, that is where in which this conference is held, and other details is given over here. And also I said that all initially it will be provided to Springer journal which is indexed in Scopus. No, that details they have given over here. That is all the accepted papers after double binded peer review will be published as proceedings of ICICC 2022 by Springer lecture notes on networks and systems. This Springer lecture notes on networks and system is indexed in Scopus. That details only they have given over here. It is indexed in Scopus and also some other indexing too. And also all books published in the series are submitted for consideration in Web of Science. And also extended selected papers will be published in the special issues of SCI, Scopus, WS, that is Web of Science, and some other indexing too. Then the paper, here it is the paper submission link. We can see the important dates of this conference. So here you can see the manuscript submission deadline. It is on December 20th, 2021. That is nearly 7 days more for this deadline. Next, the notification for acceptance or rejection will be within 10 days or 11 days from this date of submission. You can see it is December 31st, 2021. Then we can see the final paper due, that is in this acceptance or rejection notification they may provide some review comments. So after providing with this after we have to work with this review comments, and we have to resubmit our paper within this January 5th, 2022. And also the registration date is also that January 5th, 2022. Next we can see about the notices. Here we can see the notices details. This is the first notice, that is ICICC 2022 will be organized by this National Institute of Technology which is in Patna, and it will be held on 90th and 20th of February 2022. And the organized college, here they have given details. Then some other initially this organizations is given. So the good news is that is the same details only. It will be get published in Springer lecture nets and on networks and systems which is indexed in Scopus. So then also I said that some will be indexed in Elsevier too. So here only they have given that some of the papers submitted in this conference will be notified for publication in Elsevier as an or an as per the quality. So the keynote speakers and other details of this is given. So this is the front page of the Springer Scopus conference which we are going, which our journal will get published. So the supporters and sponsors are also given over here. Then we can see the details regarding this journal, that is the lecture notes on compute networks and systems. So here we can see it is an book series, Springer book series. We can see what are the subjects with this book series is covering. Here you can see the subjects covered by the book series. Mostly some communication related subjects are covered, and also it is covering some applied sciences, engineering, computer science, physics, economics, social, life sciences, as well as paradigms and methodologies behind them. So then we can see the indexing details. Initially we saw it is indexed in Scopus. So as it is in the given in the journal website itself that it is indexed in Scopus. For confirmation, we can see in Scopus preview page also, and also you can in the journal website itself. This details is given. That is all books published in the series are submitted for consideration in Web of Science. So the other details regarding this is given. Next, we can see the Scopus preview page. Yeah, here this is the Scopus preview page. You can see here it is indexed in Scopus, and the coverage years is from 2016 to 2022, and publisher is Springer Nature. It is and source type is the book series. If you click the source page means the page which we are seeing now will occur, that is lecture notes in networks and communicate systems. Yeah, you can see it is the same page only. So it is indexed in Scopus. So that's all regarding this conference.